How to make Twitter show sensitive content. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can make Twitter show sensitive content to you. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. So if you want to make Twitter show sensitive content to you, it's actually relatively very simple. All you have to do is first make sure to update Twitter app to the latest version. Once you update your Twitter app, now you want to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now by default, Twitter may actually restricting access to some of the content you see on it by not showing you sensitive content. And if you want to see sensitive content on Twitter, it's also very easy to change that setting. For that, tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side, scroll down and select the option called Settings and Support. Once you select Settings and Support, here you want to go to the option called Settings and Privacy. As you go to Settings and Privacy, here you'll find the option called Privacy and Safety. Once you tap on Privacy and Safety, here at the third you'll find a section that is Content You See. It also says decide what you see on Twitter based on your preferences such as topics and interests. So just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on it, at the very top you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. Currently it is turned off, so you just want to make sure to turn this on. If it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in blue. If it is turned off, it is going to basically be grayed out. Now you can go ahead and then relaunch your Twitter application, reload it and refresh it, and most likely you'll be able to see some sensitive contents as well. That's all it takes to make Twitter show you sensitive content. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.